Hello everyone, today I am going to speak about anemia. What is anemia? Anemia is a condition in which there decrease in RBC count which led to the decrease in HP content and which led to the decrease in oxygen carrying capacity of the cells to the body organs. Now we comes to the types of anemia. We know there are several types of anemia, but we study about the iron deficiency anemia more in India. So now we comes to the severity of the anemia. We have mild anemia which ranges from 10 to 12 gram per dl. Then we comes to the moderate anemia which ranges from 8 to 10 gram per dl, and the severe anemia which is less than 8 gram per dl. Now we comes to the prevalence of anemia. Now we comes to know about the prevalence of anemia globally is 31.1%, but in India it ranges for 57% for the women's. Now we can talk about the symptoms. What are the causes of anemia? Anemia can be caused of the insufficient dietary intake of green vegetables, fruits and the diets, sedentary lifestyles, irregular sleeping patterns and unhealthy eating styles. Now, what are the symptoms of anemia? We can know the symptoms of anemia, that is the easy fatigue, heavy head, paler skin, dizziness, nausea and pain in the muscles. Now, what we can do to treat the anemia? We can take the iron fortified tablets. We can go with the food supplements which we can afford from our homes, just like chickpeas and jaggery, green leafy vegetables, adequate amount of milk, that is calcium, and vitamin D and C supplements which are good for the absorption of iron. So, and the adequate sleep pattern is important for improving our lifestyle from sedentary to the healthy lifestyle. So we can prevent anemia in the women's, which are the most affected sector of our society from the anemia. Thank you.